As you know, I'm moving. So today my video is that how to use WhatsApp in your PC, laptop or computer. So first of all you will go to Google Chrome and then search BlueStack free download for PC. You can see now it's open. Drag down it and over there download BlueStack app player for PC, Windows, blah blah blah. So click it. The page is opened right now. So you can see over there download latest various. Click it. So right now you can see it's downloading, and when it will finish then I will come back to video. So now it's completely downloaded. Now go to my computer and then you can see over there downloads. Click it or drag down not. You can see over there. Click that button. BlueStack install. Click yes. After clicking it, you can see over there. Okay, close it and continue it. Update now. Sorry. So it's updating. It's taking so much time. When it will finish, then I will come to the video. So now you can see it's done and click the button launch. So now it's downloading. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So please wait. So now you can see it's done and they have given me 4 things and they have given me also the WhatsApp. So as you know, click it and start that using it. So it is my private WhatsApp and I have put in all the numbers and answer the questions. So it's done. You can use like phone. Thank you. That was my today's video, and please subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon so you can get my videos notification. Thank you for watching this video.